In this problem, it tells us to determine the values of x such that square root of x plus square root of 16x equals 2 radical 3. So to get x by itself, first what we'll do is we'll square both sides. So we square this and square that. So we're left with x plus radical 16x equals, now 2 squared is 4, radical 3 squared is 3, which is 12. Now we still have another radical, so to solve that we're going to subtract x to the other side. So we have 12 minus x. So then when we square both sides again, we get 16x equals, and then we have 12 minus x quantity squared, so we're going to have to expand that out. So 16x equals 12 minus x times 12 minus x. So that becomes 144 minus 12x plus x squared. So we have, now since x squared is positive, we'll put that first, and then we'll combine our x terms, so it's minus 24x plus 144. Now anytime we have a quadratic, we want it equal to 0. So that means we're going to subtract the 16x over to the other side. So x squared minus 40x plus 144. Now what we need is we need to factor this. This needs to be factored. And to do that, we need to find two numbers that multiply to 144 and add to 40. Now you could use the quadratic formula also if you have that memorized or saved on your calculator. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by finding factors. So let's try 2. So 144 we can divide by 2. So it's 2 plus 72. Does that add to 40? No. So we'll try 3. 3 and 48. No, that doesn't add to 40. Let's try 4. 4 and 36. There we go. So it's x minus 4 and x minus 36. So x equals 4 and x equals 36 are our answers. But the trick to this problem is it's actually not. We have to check both of these. So we have to be sure that they fit in the equation up above. What happens is one of them doesn't work. So let's try this. We plug in 4 in for x. Square root of 16 times 4 equals 2 radical 3. And then square root of 36 plus square root of 16 times 36 equals 2 radical 3. Now the easy way to do this is to type this all into your calculator. So square root of 4 plus the square root of 16 times 4 is 3.464. Now does that equal 2 square root of 3? Yes, it does. So that is an answer. But look what happens when I type the other solution in. 36 plus the square root of 16 times 36. We get 7.746, which is not equal to 3.464, which means our only answer is x equals 4, the number we plugged in here. So there's our answer, and we're done.